How to delete all viruses on Windows 10 or Windows 11. So there are various methods of removing and deleting viruses on your Windows. So the first method is to go to Windows and type a Windows Defender and open up the Windows Security. From here, go to Virus and Threat Protection and scan for the threats. Scan for the malwares and viruses. And from the quick scan, you will be able to see the viruses and threats that are on your computer, and you will be able to delete them after that. And the next option is to go to Windows again and type MRT and open the malicious threat removal and click on next. And I suggest you doing a full scan of your computer and click on next, and it will help to detect the issues and malwares or ransomware or the viruses that are hidden on your computer, and you will be able to remove them or delete them permanently. Now the next option is to download a trusted antivirus software like Malware on your device. Go to your browser and type Malware download, and from here you will be able to download the Malware and it will help to delete the malicious programs that are installed on your computer along with the virus and threats. So it's really simple. So these are some of the steps that you can do to delete all viruses on Windows 10 or Windows 11. If you find this tutorial helpful, to subscribe and not forget to leave us a like and comment. Thank you.